Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Piano Man on ukulele. Start with the core chords for Piano Man on your ukulele. You'll need C, G, M, and F. These four chords are the backbone of the entire song, so getting them down is crucial. Focus on clear, clean sounds and smooth transitions between each one. Spend a good 5 to 10 minutes practicing these shapes until they feel natural in your hand. This solid foundation will make learning the rest much easier. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective rhythm for Piano Man is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to give a little extra emphasis to that initial down strum to really drive the beat. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and aim for a consistent tempo. Start very slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. This will help you maintain a steady groove. Piano Man has a clear and repetitive structure, making it great for learning. The verse usually follows a C, G, M, F progression. When you get to the chorus, you'll often switch to C, G, C, F. Pay attention to how these sections flow into each other. Try playing just the verse progression 4 times, then switch to the chorus progression 4 times. This helps you internalize the changes and build confidence in your playing. Playing and singing simultaneously can be a challenge, but you can do it. First, get really comfortable just playing the chords and strumming pattern. Then, try humming the melody along with your ukulele. Once that feels good, slowly introduce the lyrics, focusing on your timing. Don't rush it. Regular practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will make a huge difference in your coordination and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.